Renowned gospel singer, Yuma Sebastian died under mysterious circumstances on Saturday, allegedly at a military detention facility in Ye, fellow singers have said. Singer Lady Amina said Sebastian was reportedly taken to a military barrack in Ye before he was found dead on the weekend. "We are yet to know what happened. But what we heard, he was in detention for one day, and in the morning of the following day, he was found dead. As South Sudanese, do we really want to have the peace that is in Jesus Christ?" she told iRadio on Sunday. "We have to learn how to be in unity, how to build ourselves and how to forgive and stop judging somebody that way. That is not good," Amina added. The late Sebastian rose to fame following the release of his hit song Akurtalaga, or The Last Bullet, at the time of referendum. It's not clear why he was arrested and detained at a military facility, and local security officials have not commented over the matter. Another musician, Musa John, also confirmed the incident but could not provide the details leading to his demise. He described Sebastian's death as a great loss to the music industry. "Up to now we didn't get the full information about his death, but we trying to find out. May the name of the Lord be praised. For sure it's a great loss to the entire gospel industry in South Sudan," he said. When contacted for comment, the commissioner of Yea River County, Agri Cyrus, said he could not immediately ascertain what happened. Renowned gospel singer, Yuma Sebastian died under mysterious circumstances on Saturday, allegedly at a military detention facility in Ye.